how to turn your Facebook account into a page. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to turn your Facebook account into a page. So then to begin with, first thing first, check your internet connection and then update your application. Once the application is completely updated, go ahead and open up your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to this kind of interface here. So tap the profile icon from the top left hand side corner. After that, you'll need to scroll down a bit. After that, you'll be able to see your profile information. So tap the three dot icon next to it. Once you've done that, you'll need to go to turn on professional mode. Once you've done that, you'll need to go ahead and turn it on in order to convert your Facebook account to page. So tap the turn on button. As soon as you've done that, it's going to take you to the other interface where it's going to ask you to complete all of your information, such as this. Once you're done completely filling up all of these information, then you've successfully converted your Facebook account to a page. So that's how you can convert your Facebook account to a page. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.